today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys that
if you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Skylife TV. You don't know you're gonna make a Skylife in the building. You're one of them. Guys, but just pull up my ear. I'm gonna put on the headband here upon it. But with these videos, you're actually gonna see them after what's gonna happen. Happened correction. I am so scared. I don't know. I'm telling y'all. A bit excited a little bit, but a lot of excitement because this was not planned for, like seriously. So today is actually January 31st, 2021. Today is my grandmother's birthday. Mama, big up my damn clean self. Tell me happy birthday in the comment section box below. You guys are gonna see this like 9 months after, actually. So yeah, that is what is going on now. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys that I'm pregnant. You feel weird after that? I feel so weird saying that. So we're gonna talk about how I found out I was pregnant. I actually found out 2 weeks ago. I'm actually 8 weeks today. Today is a Monday. No, today is a Monday. Like, we are 7 weeks up now. On Monday, I'll be 8 weeks. Right? I'm not used to this thing. I don't know calculation. I don't know nothing. I'm so blank. So, anyways, I'm going to talk about how I found out. I'm conceiving. So, it was January around 10th. I say, Melica, you know, you get a cycle yet. I never pay no mind because with me sometimes my cycle like jumps like 2 to 5 days late and stuff like that. So really late. So I'm not pay no mind. And I say, not wrong with me. I say, soon come or whatever. Because actually I was feeling symptoms of it coming. So normally my boobs starts swelling. Not swelling, like they might itch, they might pain me, like the nipple area, they pain. I'm very tired around it, and like as my brush so much of asleep, I'm so tired. I normally get like bumps in my chest and on my face, like some like a bump of hot, and I had all of those symptoms. So I say, soon come on, sit. So I noticed that I was going to the bathroom a lot, like too much, like every minute more on pee. I said, no, stop, something right, something wrong with me. I think say I probably get a vaginal urinary tract infection or something. I said, no, stop me, I pee too often, I can't hold it. And I was very tired. Like, I mean, like, I wake up in the morning at 8, and by 10, I'm sleeping. And I'm waking up at 2. That's a part in December. Me and I notice. Punki I say, they tell mama say, you're very long time girl. And I said, no, stop. Anyways, in this clip, I'm going to insert Punki's reaction when I gave her the test that I was pregnant. So I'm going to insert that somewhere on the screen so you guys can see her reaction. So, one day I say, what I say? It take a long while to buy the test because my last cycle was December 10th. The reason why I know this because for November it did not come at all. Till me I got a doctor. So I got a doctor on 9th, it comes 10th. And then I say, my last cycle was December 10th. And now like January 20 I go 18, 20. I'm not really concerned. I'm not paying no mind. I say go come when you're ready or whatever. So all in all, I decided to take the test because I was like to my partner, somewhere with me, but not inside today. Like, one of us not breathe. Like, I did something where I run joke and I say, but I don't know if I want shot work. I need something there. That means I say, but I think so because you're back no good. And there's something I tell you about it. Anyways, we decided to purchase the test. Went to the pharmacy, buy the test. You know, they test them with the, you close it at the top. Like, say, here's the test. I'm gonna look for it. Okay, so this is the actual test. See, this is the actual test. So with this test, you put the P in this part and it runs down, but you can't see it because it's closed. When I took the test, I took it and I put it down and block it up, right? So I'm saying, alright, I'm gonna go back and check for it because it's 5 minutes past or something. This one I'm gonna go so, but not to the ball or nothing. So I'm gonna go so. It pay now because this is like a month after. And I said, Jesus Christ! I said, Jesus Christ, Mr. Rose! Mr. Rose, I run, come and I said, Melica, what? Because Mr. Rose extra, like me. I said, Melica, what? I said, 2.99. And he was like, Melica, I like 2.99. I said, yes. And then bright. So this can't wrong. So I said, you know. So we start talking and I said, no, boy, Melica, you're pregnant, you know. I think of around December, you know, I think of around November, so that would be like 4 or 5 months before. And I said, boy, I'm knowing maybe. I sitting so I say, he said, you think I prank me a pranking? Because I was a pranking about in stuff here. I said, Melica, where is it? You get one line in it, or you mark one line in it. I said, I don't prank you. You real. You think I don't like abuse so? I take a while for encourage him to say, you real. Want to get the information? Yeah. You can get it up there or? Up there with it. Okay. Me mean the items them. Kevel, you buy items from up there? No. Alright. So guys, I got interrupted. Sorry about that. So that's basically how I found out. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Leave a comment in the comment section box below. And definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time I upload. See you on the next video.